How to enable two-step verification in Google or Gmail account? Here's how. First thing first, open Gmail on your device or browser. Next, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. Then select Manage your Google account from the drop-down menu. After that, navigate to the Security tab. Now scroll down and click on Two-Step Verification. Your tap on Turn on Two-Step Verification. At this point, enter your phone number where you would like to receive the verification code and then click Next. Afterward, Google will send you a verification code via SMS. Simply enter the code in the provided field. Lastly, hit the Verify button. Finally, your two-step verification will be enabled. And that's it. Your Google account is now secured with two-step verification.